Hello Pisces. So this is a general overview for 2021. So what's coming for Pisces in love, in relationship, in career, business, money, academics, health. So let's see. I'll pull out a 10 card spread and we'll see what's there for you. So these are general readings. Not all messages might resonate, Pisces, so keep whatever resonates. So let's see here. Pisces, general overview. I hope there is awesome stuff here. So you can look into the monthly and weekly videos that I post. I'll be coming out of specific career, business and money readings for 2021. So you can have a look at that also. And a big thank you to all the viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much. Four of Wands. Great. So you want to get committed. Six of Cups. Great. Hierophant. So many cards of commitment. Ace of Pentacle. Let us see. The Star. Great. Queen of Wands. Eight of Swords. King of Pentacle. Ten of Swords. And Knight of Cups. So what I see here, Pisces, the first half of the year is great for you. I'll tell you, it will be overall, it will be good into good for money, it will be good for job. You will be saving a lot of money in the first half of the year. Usually with other signs, most of them I had the second half of the year better. In this you have the first half. I mean the first time you has the best first half of the year. So definitely it seems to be lucky for you here. So lot of deals, partnership, also marriage, commitment, engagements, happening, long-term commitment, buying houses, property, buying a vehicle, new vehicle in the first half. Also you will be saving a lot of money here. Some of you getting new job in a very conventional, reputed company here. New jobs. So, the Hierophant with the Ace of Pentacle. Also, this is a card of proposal for marriage. So, some of you will be getting married in your culture, in your community, or even if it's not your community, the typical, cultural, your culture, the way, you will be getting married in your cultural way, the practices that is done. So, yes, there is proposal coming here. With the Ace of Pentacle, Hierophant. So marriage there for some of you here, definitely. You could be married to your twin flame soulmate, or the person you love here, your beloved sweetheart. That's what I would tell you here. Definitely happening. And some wish that you were hoping, there was a wish being granted to you in the first half. So it could be a surprise by the divine. There is some wish fulfillment coming to you in the first half. It is about also monetary gain. So some of you could get bonus, a raise, or a step up position, or a new job that could make your financial foundation much stable and better. And also I see a lot of savings in the first half of, so money will be good. For students, there is a lot of hard work as well as good luck. So you will do well. That's what I see here. You will have lot of social outings. You might join a community, and you will make lot of contacts which will be beneficial to you in your career, business, money, or even in your family life, in your domestic issues. Yes. You need to take care of your health. You could face sleepless nights, depression, a lot of overthinking. So have a good sleep. That will cut down your any kind of health risk. So need to sleep well. That's what. Do not lose your sleep. You could be feeling low in stamina, low vitality at times due to lot of overload of work, or overthinking also could be a reason. There could be, the second half looks like it's a little disturbed. There could be ego clashes with your spouse, or there could be ups and downs in relationship for some of you here, which could cause a lot of stress, ego clashes need to be dealt with diplomacy and ease and calmness. That's what I mean. Some of you Pisces, because if you are in a relationship, you will be in a very romantic mood. But you have to be guarded that there could be chances of miscommunication or ego battles. That's what I get here. Yeah, so I see the first half generally health Health in the first half is good, second half you need to be careful here. So overall, it's an expansion, Pisces, a step up in your, especially first half, it looks great. And then I'll say you King of Pentacle with the, you have the King of Pentacle. So, you will be working hard to achieve your financial goals, here. And using all the opportunities that is presented to you for your own benefit. You will be successful even in the second half, but it will require a lot of effort, lot of hard work. Some of you, if you're stuck in a bad job or bad relationship, there is a good news here. You will either move to a new better relationship or moving to a new better job even in the second half. In the last December, I see around November, December, this could come for some of you here. So new job, new relationship, something which has hurt you for quite long, you might leave that and there is something new beginning happening with you. Either it could be a job situation where you felt that you have been betrayed or you have been left out, or in the relationship also betrayed or lied, hurt. So you could be moving to a new beginning in your life with your relationship or with your job. A stuck situation, that's what I see here, Pisces. In your romantic relationship, I see a lot of communication and cooperation within, within you and your person. But just need to be aware of the, ego clashes here. Singles will need to be a little patient here. If you are dating, you will be dating few people. But if you think you are going to get hitched, the same here, tying the knot, or, that will take time. You will go into the next 2022. You will be dating, and you will be needed to be patient to take it into a long-term commitment. Long-term means to a commitment of marriage, engagement. That's what I see here. For working abroad, going abroad, some of you could go abroad for work. That is in the second half of the year. It will be good. Overseas posting, new job at overseas, even student going and joining, for higher education, or an internship job in the overseas, it's gonna happen. It will be, either in the middle of, after April and before September, August, September, it's like that, what I see here. It could be any other month. It will resonate differently for all of you here, Pisces. So this is what I see here. Overall, it's a good year 2021, and first half is really great for you. So this is it, Pisces. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much and stay blessed.